Hi, it's Denise with Pampered Chef, and I wanted to show you how quickly you could make your own orange marmalade using our new Deluxe cooking blender. Um, I basically just used a few ingredients. I think it's just three, four, including water. Zested using the microplane fine grater and zester to zest the orange peels from the oranges, and then I used the orange citrus press that you can has a nice easy measuring reed cup on the bottom. So basically just pressed those. Then I added a fourth of a cup of water, so it's basically 3/4 cup orange juice, fresh orange juice, 1/4 cup water, and then 2 tablespoons of pectin. And pectin is something you can buy in your grocery store. You can get the low sugar kind, you can get the regular original kind, kind of depending on what your recipe is. I believe I have the no sugar needed or low sugar recipe. So I went ahead, because this is the second time I've made it. The first time I didn't realize I had the low sugar one. I just went ahead and did the regular thing, but it really set up really firm. So I wanted to get a little bit more spreadable jam this time, marmalade this time. So I went ahead and added a little bit more of the orange juice. So I have, for my low sugar recipe, I'm going to use the same amount of sugar, but I added a little bit more juice. So essentially what's awesome is you turn on the blender and then you turn the dial to where it says jam, and that tells me that it's ready to go. It's going to heat up to 220 degrees, and then it will be mixing and going the whole time. At about, I would say it's around 40 minutes or so, it will stop and it will beep at me and say add. And that's when I add in the sugar. It'll finish blending in the sugar and again getting the sugar to dissolve to that temperature. And once that's done, then I just pour it into jars that are cleaned and washed. And at that time I can either decide to pressure, give them a bath, water bath for long-term storage, or if I just want to use jars that I can just put in the refrigerator or freezer and give as gifts. So thank you so much.